Hello, welcome to the Lutus Creations channel, dedicated to automatons and music boxes. Today, we invite you to admire a selection of smoking automatons. Just for the eyes. This smoking monkey from the Vichy company dates from the end of the 19th century. He is dressed in incroyable, a fashion trend from France of the Directoire, characterized by its extravagance. The centerpiece of the smoke mechanism is the bellows. The latter inflates to suck in the smoke from the cigarette holder, and then closes to expel the smoke through the nostrils. This smoking automaton, also from the end of the 19th century, was designed in France by the Lambert Company. Admire the poetic aspect of the movement of this automaton who observes, pensively, the wisps of smoke dispersing in the air. This modern automaton was designed in 1984 by Renato Barreto, a Parisian automaton manufacturer. Renato Barreto, of Venetian origin, was elevated to the title of Master of Art in 1995 by the Minister of Culture Philippe Douste-Blazy. The profession of automaton manufacturer is an extremely rare profession. There is no training, and a manufacturer of automatons must know all the manual trades. Mechanics, sculpture, painting and sewing, for example. We end our journey in the land of smoking automatons with this charming little automaton designed in the 1970s by Jean and Anna Farkas. Anne was a seamstress by trade, and Jean was a porcelain restorer for antique dealers. They began their trade as manufacturers and restorers of automatons in the 1950s. This exciting profession lasted until the 1990s. I hope you enjoyed this trip to the land of smoking automatons. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like. Tell us in the comments which automaton you liked the most.